Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, and I'm gonna show you how to enter the download mode on this device. First, we need to turn off our device. To do it, let's press and hold the power button and volume down button together. When this menu appears on the screen, tap on the power off option. My bad, I missed it. Let's tap on it, and then tap on it again to confirm. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button together. And when the Samsung logo appears on the screen, we can release both buttons. Here, let's use the volume down button to scroll down and select Reboot to bootloader, then press the power button to confirm. And as you can see, we entered the download mode. To exit this mode, simply press and hold the power button and volume down button together for about 7 seconds. And when you see Samsung logo, you can release both buttons. And that's how you enter the download mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.